everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny. And yes, I'm so excited, and you know you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video on your way in, even if you share it to yourself. And please, before you leave, matter of fact, do it right now, leave a comment and or an emoji, because YouTube is watching, and it's greatly appreciated. Also, if you're not one of my crazy friends, well, let's get you hooked up. Look below, let's hit that subscription button and that notification bell, and that way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here almost every single day. You don't want to miss any of that. And you sure don't want to miss any of this, because it's one of my favorite things. It's paper towels. Hi, everybody. Come on in. We've got hopefully a glitch. I'm not really sure, but I'm definitely going to treat it as such, because I just seen it. And it's too late for me to go to the store to try it. So I'm going to give you a couple of different ideas. We've got this Bounty $3 off coupon, and this Bounty $3 off is attaching to the $5.60 Bounty Essentials, okay? Now that in itself is a winner. I mean, even if you used it on the $9.66 Bounty regular, or the $9 and change bigger thing of Bounty Essentials. Oh, it doesn't attach to that. Okay, well, we've got four things it attaches to: the $5.60, the $10.80, and the $21. Well, we're going to be looking for the $5.60 Bounty Essentials. Because look at what is available to us, guys. We just got a $4 earn that posted on this 6-count bounty, which is the $5.60 bounty. I mean, come on. It's a one-time use. But if you use it together with your $3 and it glitches, then you are actually making money, because that's $7 and the paper towels are only $5.60. Now, the other way you can do this is actually pick up two of those $5.60 paper towels, because that's how I'm going to do it. Let's see. Two of those would be $10, $11, and 20 cents. You're going to be getting $7 off of that in the final out-of-pocket. $4.20 final out-of-pocket for two Bounty paper towels. Oh, yes, you know I'm going to be doing this deal, because you know I really like paper towels. Now, if you already clipped the $1 Bounty paper towels, okay, the 4-count, no biggie, okay? No biggie. Because what? It's a paper towel, and we can never have enough paper towels. Because then you're going to pick up 3 of the $5.60 essentials, and you'll only pay $7, $8.80. You will pay for 3 of these Bounty Essential paper towels. So you cannot beat that. Or, if it glitches, if you want to go in and try it just on the one, then you can do that. Because your next transaction, if you go back in, if it doesn't work, you just go back in, and then you'll get your 4 off. Now, like I said, if you've got the $1 coupon clipped, it's going to come off first, guys. Before any other coupon, it's going to come off first. So you'll have to use all 3. Okay? And, well, you'll still save plenty of money. Next new earn. Revlon Lip Cosmetics. Earn $4 on any variety, any size. And we've got Revlon Kiss Exfoliating Lip Balm, $4.75. We got Kiss Lip Balm Topical Coconut, $4.25. That means you'll pay 25 cents for any of these lip balms. And that's a winner chicken dinner. And our next new earns, we got earns on Meow Mix, guys. We've got these little 35-cent earns on these 75-cent cups of Meow Mix. So that's half price, and you can do this up to 4 times. Or, excuse me, you have to buy 4 to use this. Limit one-time use. You've got a 75-cent off a 3.15 pound of the dry Meow Mix. And that's a limit of 5 uses. And we also have $1 back on the Meow Mix variety boxes. Now, if you buy this cat food anyway, make sure you clip your earns, because you could be getting money back. We still have these really good earns on the Shiba cat food and the Caesar's little dog food. The Caesar's little dog food, you've got to buy 6 of these little $1.35 ones, but you will get a $3 rebate. And it looks like we have got an earn glitch, guys. Yes, we've got an earn glitch on this Meow Mix cat food. You're going to earn $1. It says you can redeem it up to 5 times. Look at this free cat food. Meow Mix 2.75 ounce wet cat food, chicken and beef. Okay? And then chicken and liver, 2.75. That is 75 cents a container. And you're going to get $1 back. And you can do this up to 5 times. Now, this is a run deal, because everybody who's got a fur baby is going to be running to get them some free cat food, guys. So there you go. Another glitch for you to go and play with. And let's talk about a filler for Saturday, guys. We've got this Oral-B Glide Floss Picks, I believe it is. Let's have a look. For $3.35. And you've got a $2 off coupon. That means there'll be $1.35 out of pocket. And a winner kind of deal, guys. So we've got everything in this video. Awesome deals. We've got glitches, free stuff. Yes. And don't forget, you've got your glitching Oral-B toothbrush. Clean and healthy in an older operating system store will give you $1 in overage to use on any of these items that I just showed you. So, you've got it all in this video, guys. So, thank you for stopping by. Please do not forget to leave me a comment or emoji. It is very, very important, because YouTube watches, and interaction is so important. So, blessings, and I'll talk to you again real soon, because I'm going to go get my bounty tomorrow and come back and brag about it. See you then.